What happens if you swallow a seed?
I love apples. Wait a minute. I swallowed a seed. I think now the seed will grow like a plant inside my stomach.
Hey there, don't worry, I'm Seedy, the seed you just swallowed.
Wait, can you grow into a tree inside me?
Ha ha. Nope, your tummy isn't the right place for a tree to grow. It needs soil, sunlight, and water to sprout. Your stomach is too dark and full of tummy juice.
Whew, so what happens to you now?
I'll take a little trip through your body and leave when it's time, just like other food.
Oh, so it's not bad if I swallow seeds.
That's right. Most seeds, like apple or watermelon seeds, are totally safe to swallow. But remember, big seeds like cherry pits are better to spit out. They can be a little too tough.
Got it. And sunflower seeds. I can eat those, right?
Absolutely. Some seeds are yummy and made for snacking.
Thanks, Seedy. I feel much better now.
No problem. Enjoy your fruit. And don't forget, seeds are friends, not fear.